Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about woodworking or just getting started, today's video is a must-watch. We've compiled a list of 10 must-have woodworking tools available on Amazon that will take your projects to the next level. Let's dive right in. Number 1. The Inel TCSM 165 cordless circular saw revolutionizes woodworking with its cordless convenience and powerful performance. Powered by an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, it delivers a high cutting speed of 4,200 RPM, ensuring smooth, precise cuts. The large gripping stirrup offers exceptional comfort and control, while the spindle lock feature allows for quick and safe blade changes. Adjusting cutting depth and tilt angle is tool-free, simplifying setup and modifications. Its high-quality aluminum saw table provides a stable, durable surface. The saw includes a premium blade and supports 20 mm diameter blades, offering versatility for various tasks. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects, this saw is ideal for construction, renovation, and DIY woodworking. Durable and user-friendly, the Inel TCSM 18/165 is a must-have for any woodworker, enhancing efficiency and precision in every project. Number 2. The Preschool Tri-Square Set is an all-in-one compact set that includes 200 mm, 300 mm, and 400 mm squares, offering maximum functionality for all your woodworking needs. This set features rust-free marking gauges in 3 sizes, 20 cm, 30 cm, and 40 cm, ensuring long-lasting durability and precision. Each square is equipped with a scribing needle, level, and measuring gauge, making it a versatile tool for precise markings and measurements. With these high-quality precision squares, you can achieve exact 90 degrees angles and easily mark at 45 degrees, ensuring accuracy in your projects. The screw-mounted marking needle in the handle ensures a smooth marking process without the need for additional accessories like a pin. The built-in level facilitates horizontal alignment, making these engineering squares ideal for marking, measuring, and aligning your workpieces. With everything you need in one product, the Preschool Tri-Square Set is essential for any woodworker or carpenter aiming for precision and efficiency. Number 3. The Wood Carving Drill Bit Set compatible with Dremel rotary tools is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional woodworker. This set includes 5 different engraving drill accessories, each designed to meet various woodworking needs. From DIY crafts and wood carving to root carving, modeling, and microsculpture, these bits are versatile and essential for creating intricate and detailed work. Made from high-speed steel, these durable and sturdy bits offer excellent cutting power and are resistant to breaking. The custom sharp blades remove wood chips quickly, allowing for faster and easier work while leaving a smoother surface. The new design of the engraving heads ensures precise cutting, making them ideal for deep grooves, drilling, clearing, and creating curved patterns and lines. Each bit has a 3 mm, 1/8 inch shank size, making them compatible with most rotary tools, drills, and die grinders. This compatibility ensures easy installation and convenience, allowing you to carve, engrave, grind, and drill wood effortlessly and safely. Whether you are a beginner, professional, or handicraft enthusiast, this set is perfect for enhancing your woodworking projects with precision and efficiency. Number 4. The Saker Woodworking Edge Trimmer is an essential tool for achieving professional finishes on wood veneer edge banding. Designed to deburr and trim excess edge banding, this tool ensures a firm and clean finish. Equipped with 3 different blades, R1, R2, and R3, it caters to various edge banding thicknesses and wood chamfering needs. The R1 blade is perfect for edge banding thicknesses between 0.8 to 2 mm, the R2 blade is ideal for 1.5 to 2 mm, and the R3 blade is specifically designed for wood chamfering, allowing for versatility in your woodworking projects. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, the edge trimmer is anti-rust, sturdy, and durable, promising long-term use. Its ergonomic handle and unique finger gripping position make it easy to operate with one hand, enhancing convenience and efficiency. The Saker Woodworking Edge Trimmer is suitable for a variety of materials, including wood, flexible melamine paper, veneer, plastic, and PVC. Whether you're working on DIY projects or professional woodworking, This edge trimmer adds a polished touch to your work, making it a valuable addition to your toolkit. Number 5. The WorkPro Combination Square is a versatile and essential tool for any engineer or carpenter. With a 12-inch, 300mm stainless steel angle ruler, this adjustable carpentry square ensures high precision thanks to its spirit level and laser engraved scales. It features both metric and inch measurements in centimeters and millimeters, catering to different requirements. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel and zinc alloy, the 2mm thick blade is sturdy, durable, and rust-proof, ensuring long-lasting use. The multifunctional design makes it a reliable helper for woodworking tasks, allowing for accurate measurements of lengths, widths, 90-degree angles, 45-degree miter angles, depths, heights, and scribing. The ergonomic handle enhances comfort and ease of use, making measurements straightforward and efficient. Suitable for multidimensional measurement, marking out, and layout tasks, the WorkPro Combination Square is perfect for a wide range of applications in carpentry and engineering. Number 6. The Inel TCSM 2131/1 Dual Bevel Sliding Miter Circular Saw is a versatile and powerful tool designed for precise and clean cutting of wood, laminated panels, and plastic. This saw is equipped with a 48T blade, making it ideal for a variety of cutting tasks. With its dual bevel capability, the saw head can tilt continuously to both the left and right, offering high flexibility for setting miters on both sides. The integrated drag function allows for the cutting of particularly wide workpieces, enhancing its utility in various applications. For safe and precise operation, the saw features workpiece supports on both sides, a clamping device for secure holding, and a workpiece stop with adjustable rails. The high-quality turntable comes with an exact angle adjustment facility, enabling angular cuts that can be latched into various positions single-handedly. The table insert includes a practical scale for reading off the workpiece width, ensuring accuracy in measurements. Additionally, an integrated, mains-powered laser marks the cutting line, allowing for quick and precise positioning of the workpiece. Overall, the Inel TCSM 2131/1 is a reliable and efficient tool for any woodworker, providing the precision and flexibility needed for a wide range of cutting tasks. Number 7. The Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge combines functionality as both an angular bevel gauge and a marking gauge, making it a practical tool for various woodworking tasks such as laying floors and building furniture. It is designed to measure and transfer angles accurately, ensuring precise cuts and joints. Key features include a folding stop that facilitates easy positioning on the workpiece, allowing for quick and accurate marking of angles or parallel lines. The gauge also includes a scale on the moving leg, which is useful for marking parallel lines alongside its primary function of measuring angles. This tool is indispensable for woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts alike, providing versatility and precision in marking and transferring angles, ensuring that projects are executed with accuracy and efficiency. Number 8. The Preschool Carpenters Square Set is a versatile and innovative tool designed for precision woodworking tasks. Made from high-precision milled aluminum, it ensures permanently accurate 90 degrees angles for precise measurements and cuts. This set includes squares of 180mm and 300mm sizes, catering to various project needs. Key features include an innovative writable note surface that allows markings with a pencil and easy wiping for reuse, promoting efficient note-taking during projects. The Smart Drilling Guide ensures exact diameters, minimizing the risk of misalignments during drilling tasks, enhancing accuracy in woodworking projects. The squares excel in providing reliable saw guides, preventing slipping during cuts with a secure saw guide and stop feature. Additionally, the integrated marking gauge ensures precise marking with scribing holes for clean and uniform lines, further enhancing precision in woodworking tasks. Whether measuring angles, making markings, or guiding saw cuts, the Preschool Carpenters Square Set is an essential tool for woodworkers seeking efficiency and accuracy in their projects. Number 9. The tapping block for laminate flooring installation is a crucial tool for achieving precise and professional results in DIY laminate flooring projects. Designed to tap laminate flooring panels into place with exact precision, it ensures a perfect fit every time. The tapping block features a non-marring surface made of durable nylon, preventing marks or damage to the laminate floor surface during installation. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, facilitating smooth and efficient floor installations. A small rubber bumper on the bottom of the block ensures smooth operation, allowing it to slide effortlessly along the flooring surface while tapping. Using a tapping block is essential for achieving a seamless and professional-looking laminate floor installation. It helps ensure that panels are flush and properly aligned, contributing to a neat and uniform appearance throughout the flooring project. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional installer, this tool is indispensable for achieving high-quality results in laminate flooring installations. Number 10. The Wolfcraft Master 650 Geo clamping and working table is a versatile and robust tool designed for a variety of clamping and working tasks. It features a height-adjustable design with continuous adjustment from 780 mm to 950 mm, allowing you to customize the working height for comfort and efficiency. The tabletop is tiltable, providing flexibility for different working angles and tasks. Included is an additional extension plate that expands the work surface to 650 mm by 490 mm, ensuring ample space for larger projects and continuous work. The table's frame is constructed from sturdy tubular steel, providing durability and stability during use. It incorporates a quick folding function for easy storage and transport, making it ideal for both workshop and on-site applications. With an impressive load capacity of up to 120 kilograms, the Wolfcraft Master 650 Geo clamping and working table is capable of supporting heavy materials and projects securely. Whether you're woodworking, crafting, or performing repairs, this table offers reliability and functionality to enhance your workspace efficiency and productivity.